Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss about the relative and absolute reference in Microsoft Excel. So in this simple example, I'm going to demonstrate you what is a relative reference and what is a absolute reference. You can easily understand. Suppose I have this quantity, right? And I want to calculate a total amount paid. For example, a biscuit I purchase a 8 quantity and is 10 rupees each or 10 dirhams each. Roti or chapati or bread I purchase in a 5 in quantity and 2 dirhams its price. Milk is 2 and 1.5 is its price. And then butter is equal to 3 unit I purchase and price is 3. So if I use the simple formula, for example, I put this multiply by 10, so it calculate me a 80 dirhams. And if I drag this to below, it calculate the similarly it calculate the rest of the lines. And if I select each value, you can see it automatically change the relative reference of a cell. For example, if I am in I column, so it an eighth row, so it is equal to H8 and G8 and 1.5. And if I select this column, then you can see G7 and H7. So this is absolute reference. But in another case, it will be a wrong. For example, I am using the same example here, and I am going to calculate the same sum, same formula here. 8 multiply by this column, and when I put enter and drag this, it is the same. And now I am going to get the 2.5 discount from this 18. So what I did equal to this cell multiply by 2.5 and divided by 100. So when I put enter, you can see it gives me 2.5 of 80 is 2. But when I drag this formula to go below, it gives me a 0. Why? It works here, but it did not work here, because if I see this formula, you can say it goes to a M9 because this is a M, but the value is in 18. If M18, so if I select this value, it's a M29, but the formula is again M20, it goes to here. So how can I do this? So for this I have to do use absolute reference of this. I am rewriting this same formula is equal to start bracket I18 multiply by what is doing here equal to 18 multiply by dollar sign and m is n, and then I again putting a dollar sign, and then it's a 18 cell. It pointed to right direction, right cell, bracket close, divided by 100, and when I put enter, it calculates the same. Now if I drag this formula go below, what will happen? It will remains target to the same cell. You can see that formula is, if I see the I19 divided by N28, this is N28 multiply by 18 and divided by 100. So similarly 0.75, and in this way 0.225. So in this way we can use the absolute reference as compared to a relative reference. See you in another video.